Let's take another exercise in SolidWorks. This is a kind of block, engine block. Now let's check all dimensions are in millimeter. Fillet radius 2 millimeter unless otherwise specified. Material carbon steel. Scale 1:1.5. Now look, we have one top view and there is one half section view. You will see this dotted line AA. You will see this is going to cut at this section and it will show you this half section view. And behind this is going to be, it will show you full section view. Look, this is full view, front view. Similarly, you will see a section line BB. It will cut from this line and it will show you this option. So we will start from top view. Now length you will see 190 and depth is 12 millimeter. And how much this width you will see in section view 96 millimeter. Okay. Then at bottom there is one more solid body. See 5 millimeter away from this corner. Length 102 millimeter from top. So subtract 12 millimeter and it's become 9 millimeter. Then there is one cutout 150 and 5 millimeter. Okay, let's do this. Okay, the second, this middle body, the bottom end 86 millimeter. See here, we will add, there is a one material going to add 3 millimeter. This is, we will add later. Now I am going to select top plane, sketch. Now activate here center rectangle and start with origin point so that our geometry will be symmetric. Now just press escape key to out and activate smart dimension. Now this dimension 96 millimeter and the length is 190 millimeter. Now go to feature and activate extruded boss base feature. Start condition keep same. Direction 1 defined blind. Depth 12 millimeter. But this is moving upper side. Just click reverse direction. Okay. Let me uncheck. Select bottom view, bottom face, sketch. Again activate center rectangle and draw one here rectangle. Press escape key to out of line. Smart dimension. And this is shown 86 millimeter. And from one end to one end it's 5 millimeter. This is the gap. Okay. Extrude. Now this is going, even though you can click and drag this. So keep start condition same, end condition or direction blind. And here depth 102 minus 12, 90 millimeter. Look. Now select this face, sketch, and I am going to click corner rectangle and draw one rectangle. Press escape key to out of rectangle. Smart dimension 150 millimeter. Now depth is 5 millimeter. Now I want to place at center of body. So hold shift key and press center point. Again you will just move cursor and you will find midpoint on line. So click both the lines and create one relation. Here you will see vertical. See, this is move at center. Okay, just go to feature and activate extruded cut feature. Now this time I am going to cut through all. So here simply in direction 1 choose through all. Look, this is going to cut up to end, or even though you can select up to next. Up to next means this is the next wall. Say okay and look. Now there is one hollow cutout. You will see from here depth 10 millimeter. Just zoom in. 10 millimeter from this bottom face, and this is going to cut up to here. And let's check from here. Okay, this cutout length 166 and 66. This is the width and length. So let's cut this. First I am going to drop down, activate plane. First reference, select this. Here put dimension 10 millimeter. Flip side, just check position. This is above from the plane. Say okay. Even though you can click and drag, select sketch. If you confuse, again click. Okay, this is plane. Now center rectangle. Press escape key to out smart dimension. Now these length given 66, 166. That's fine. Now activate extruded cut feature. Now here choose through all. This is moving upper side. Say OK. Look how we cut a hole. Click and it will show you this pop-up. Click hide plane. Now let's check this. We have to create this 12mm, 18mm corner fillet R15, and how much thickness you will see here, 3mm. We have to add in both side. 92, 86 minus 92 is 6mm. 6 minus 3 is 3mm. It means both side equally we have to add. Okay. Then you will see inside there is a circular type of bodies. See, these circular body we have to add. Center distance 64, diameter 60, then there is a hole 28. See, 28. This is common in both sides. Center distance 64 and height from bottom 58. This is important. And the hole is extrude up to 18mm from outside to inside. Let's see how. First I am going to select this face, sketch. Now okay, let me choose here center rectangle. That's fine. Okay. Now select this line and this line collinear. Okay. It's fillet 50mm. So I am going to select these two corners. Say OK and cancel. Smart dimension 18mm and from bottom edge it's 12mm. See, this is, it seems fully defined. One more thing I have to write. Now select this point, hold shift key and this line, coincident relation. See, this is fully defined sketch. Activate extruded boss base feature and add thickness in direction 1, keep blind 3mm. See, okay. Now I want to mirror this, but let's add some those hole also. So select this face, sketch. Now activate circle and diameter, press enter 60, enter. Now activate center line. Make sure line is vertical. Now select both line and circle and here select mirror entity. See, the hole is mirror. Smart dimension, center distance 64 and one more, distance from outer bottom edge 58. Look, this is fully defined sketch. Go to feature and activate extruded boss base feature and keep end condition blind. Depth is 18mm from outer face, but in wrong direction, just simply reverse direction. See here, okay. Look. Again I am going to select sketch on same plane and this time I am going to show hidden line. Activate line tool, move cursor over edge and you will find center point. Just click and drag, enter 28, enter. Right click. Now select both the circle and okay, again let me hold and press shift key. Select both the circle, equal relation. Now activate extruded cut feature and this time I am going to choose up to next. Next means this is going to cut up to inside wall. That's fine. See. Now let's mirror this thing so that Activate mirror. Reference plane, front plane is perfectly aligned at center. Now feature to mirror. Now first select this one, then this circular body, then the hole. These all three we have to select. Okay. Now look how this is going to be mirror. Now you will see closely. There is 8 holes. This hole diameter 44, location diameter, and hole 64 apart, and see the position, and you will come down here and see 16 number of M10 hole. Depth 15 depth is the thread depth. See, so let's do this. Now go to hole wizard. Now here choose straight tap, ISO standard. Now I want to make through all holes, so choose top bottoming hole, M10. Simply choose M10, and here choose up to surface. Okay. Select this surface. Fine. And here asking you up to center, these center line. So the pointed area should be outside of the. Now here you have to put thread dimension length 15 millimeter according to our drawing. In option select this with thread callouts, because I want to see thread callout here. Go to position. Now select this face. Press escape key to out, and first let me draw one center line. Activate circle, and circle diameter 44, enter. Press escape key to out. Now select this line for construction. Now activate this point, and you will see the tool is activated. Now place at this point. Press escape key to out. Now see, this is fully defined sketch. Look. Okay. Now if you want to see threaded cosmetic thread, go to option, documents property, image quality, not image quality, detailing, and here enable shaded cosmetic thread option. Okay. Now look. Circular pattern. Now here direction, I am going to choose this circular. Equal spacing, angle 360, because I want to rotate 360 degree, and number of instances, number of holes 4. Here already selected this tap hole. In feature, say OK. Now let's mirror this. Right plane, and here feature circular pattern is selected. Okay, look. Now again choose right, not right plane, front plane, activate mirror. Now here in feature select mirror to. You will see the preview, how hole is going to place at another end. Say OK. Look. The holes are perfectly aligned at both sides. Now here, come at top. You will see 14 millimeter. See, are 10. But this length only 14 millimeter. Then there is a hole. Hole 4 number of hole, 10 diameter, depth 10. You will see the hole depth 10 millimeter. See, in dotted line. And this is supporting body. So I am going to select this face, sketch. Now select these two lines and convert entities. Now activate here center point arc. Now first place at point and start. Now click on this point. Now start and move and click on this. Press escape key to out. Smart dimension 10 millimeter, this radius. Okay. Now activate trim entity. Use power trim. Just press and hold left mouse and drag your mouse, and those trimmed. Okay. Now let me define center line. Mirror entity, select these all lines. Make sure you selected copy, mirror about this line. say OK. Now again I am going to choose mirror entity, select these all, again these all, copy mirror about this line. OK. See, activate extruded boss base feature, and see, this is going to move upper side, make reverse, height only 14 millimeter. See, now we have to add hole here, so I am going to choose hole wizard. Simply choose hole, standard ISO, dowel hole. Simply I want to put a hole. Now here hole 10 millimeter. Even you can check custom size and see here. Now here select blind, depth put 10 millimeter and hole depth up to shoulder, not up to tip. Position. Now first you have to select plane from, so I am going to select this plane. If I move my cursor, it will show you this point. Press escape key to out. Now let me check 12 millimeter. Okay. 15 millimeter. That's fine. Say OK. OK. Now look, the hole is created. Now let's make multiple number of pattern. Use linear pattern. Direction I am going to choose first this. Now here spacing instances, space 166. See, this is this cutout distance. Direction 2, select this direction. And this is going to be 66. Here change direction reverse. And you will see the preview. Say OK. Look, the hole is created. Let's make this flange R18, angle 80 and 228. And the depth here you will see 14 millimeter. Then there is a one counter bore hole 28, 16, 4. Okay. So I am going to select this face. Sketch, activate line tool, make one triangle, again start from here to this point, make sure this is construction line and horizontal, fillet, corner radius 18 millimeter and select this. Fine. Now let's define angle. Before going to define angle, let me choose one more thing. Okay, see, this is not at center, so select this circle point and this line coincide. This is important. Hold and shift, press shift key, select these two lines and center one and make relation symmetric. This is important relation. Again, I am going to connect these two lines as a collinear smart dimension. Angle 80. Okay. Now mirror entity and let's choose this all. Say OK. Smart dimension, select center to center distance 228. Okay. Look, it's fully defined. Extruded boss base. Now depth is 14 millimeter, but this is going wrong direction, so simply reverse. Okay. But there is a problem. See, there is extra fins here, so we have to delete it. Go to direct editing, delete face. Now here in option delete and patch. Now select face. So I am going to select this face. Select all side faces. Now what will happen? Let's check. Say OK. Look, this is flat and patch. Now go to hole wizard. Now here first hole type counter bore, standard, and here type I am going to choose hexa bore grade ISO 4016. Now here diameter how much? M16 normal. Show custom. From here you can change the 16 millimeter, then counter bore 28, depth of counter bore 4, 80 degree. Now here keep end condition through all. Position, select this face. Now move cursor and place at center point. See, place at both point. Press escape key to out. Smart dimension, just check center distance 228. This is fully defined sketch. Okay, look. Now these corner holes 5 millimeter, and inside hole, inside you will see R2, then outside R2. Let's do this. Now activate fillet, constant type. Now from here I am going to select this edge, and it will show you this option. If you choose this first one, it will select this 4 corner. You don't need to select one by one. Parameters symmetric 5 millimeter. Now again I am going to select fillet. This time put 2 millimeter constant type, and here I am going to select inside face. Parallelly let me choose this outer edge and this outer edge. Okay. See, right click on material, apply plain carbon. See, but I don't want this view, so simply go to appearance, apply this, double click, and it will apply. Edit from here. This is our hole. Even though I am going to apply metal just for appearance. Counter bore, polished steel. Now I am going to select the faces of these holes. Whatever possible. And make polished steel. Now let's select this. See, select the pattern. Don't forget to share, like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.